Good morning to one and all. In this video I am going to discuss with you that the topic exponents and powers. In this chapter, first I am going to discuss with you exponential laws. So please subscribe the channel, share the videos to your friends, and see, let us go for the exponential laws. In this topic we have totally 14 formulas. If you learn this total 14 formulas, you can do this whole chapter. So let us go for discussing the first formula, that x power m into x power n equal to x power m plus n. See, we have that where x comma m comma n are non-zero real numbers. So real numbers already we know, you know already, that is rational numbers you know, irrational numbers also you know. So real numbers means the rational numbers and irrational numbers together we can call real numbers. So non-zero real numbers, x comma m comma n are non-zero real numbers. So where we will use this formula, let us see here. For example, suppose 2 power 5 into 2 power 2 into 2 power 3, this we can write as, so 2 power 2 means 2 into 2 we can write, and 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So this we can write, how many times we are multiplying 2 here? Totally 5 times. So this instead of, so we got 2 power 5. That answer they written we can write as that 2 plus 3 also. So that is 2 power 5. If you expand in this form for bigger numbers, it will take more time. Yes. So that we have the formula that, so 2 power 100 plus 2 power 100 into 2 power 135. So this we will get without expanding in this manner. We can write the answer, that is 2 into 100 plus 135, which is equal to 2 power 235. 2 power 235 is the answer. So for this we can use in this purpose. So next we are going to the next property, that x power m by x power n. It's very important property that, and in this we have 4 cases also. So we should learn very carefully about these formulas. So here in that first formula, so in the second one, first case we have that x power m by x power m by x power n, where m is greater than n. So that means if you take, I am considering one number, 3 power 5 by 3 power 3. So 3 power 5 means we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times we should multiply. I am expanding 3 power 5. I expanded here. So you can expand 3 power 3 also here. 3 into 3 into 3. So now you can cancel this 3, and this 3. So this 3. What is left over in the numerator? 3 power 2. So we can write 3 power 2 there. So this answer. Suppose they gave a bigger number, 3 power 1005 by 3 power 287 means, so we cannot expand, that is 3 power 1005 by 3 power 215 something they given. So if we expand in this manner, it will take more time. So we can use that formula that, so this x power m by x power n, that is equal to, we can write x power m minus n. What is here m value? 5. So that is, what is x value? 3. 3 power 5 minus, here n is equal to 3. So 5 minus 3, that is x is 3 power 2. 5 minus 3 is how much? 3 power 2. Here do we get a correct answer or not? Yes. Similarly you can simplify this sum also. 3 power 1005 by 3 power 215. This we can write as 3 power 1005 minus 215. If you subtract, you will get the answer. 5 minus 5, 0. So 3 power 0 here. So 0, 9. So 8 minus 7, 9 minus 2, 7. So 790 is the correct answer for that. What is the correct answer for that? 3 power 790 is the correct answer for this. For this purpose, we will use the first case. Okay, let us go. Now I am going to discuss with you second case, that x power 0 equal to 1, that is m is equal to, when m is equal to n, then x power 0 equal to 1. We need to know that. We need to prove that is 3 power 2. So m and n are same. So 3 power 2 by 3 power 2. 3 power 2 is how much? 3 into 3 by 3 into 3. So that is 3 3s are 9. 9 by 9 is how much? 1. Okay, according to the first case, this can I write? So 3 power 2, 3 power this 2 by 2. This n will come to the numerator. So that is 3 power 2 minus 2 equal to how much we obtained here? 1. 3 power 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. 3 power 0 equal to 1. So where x is equal to, x power 0 equal to 1 we proved, where x is any non-zero real number. So here 3 is a non-zero real number. Anything power 0 we will get 1 only. If you take instead of x, you can take 10 or you can take 1 lakh, any number you can take, any non-zero real number we can take in the place of x. Next, formula number, case number 3, if x power m by x power n is equal to 1 by x power n minus m, where m less than n. So what is that case? Let us see here. So if m less than n, so that is 2 power 5 by 2 power, so you can take 2 power 2 by 2 power, let us take 2 power 3 by 2 power 5 you can take. This we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 into 2 into 2 into, we can write 5 times. We are multiplying 5 times. These two cancel, these two cancel, these two cancel. So what is left over? 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 into 2 we can write as 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 into 2 4, or 1 by 2 square also we can write. See, to get in this way, so this we can write as 1 by 2 whole square also we can write. No issue for that. Okay. See, for this case we can use for that x power m by x power n. That is, what is the formula? That 2 power 3 by 2 power 5. If you use that third case, so 1 by 2 power 5 minus 3, that is n minus m. So which is equal to 1 by 2 square only. Yes, these two are equal or not? Yes, if you use that third case, x power m by x power n, 1 by x power n minus m, where x less than n. Yes, sorry, where m less than n. So we can use that third case. Okay. Next, fourth case we have x power minus 1 equal to 1 by x. If m is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1, you can take in the x power minus 1. See, you can take first case. We can prove this by using the first case. X power m by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, or x power m minus n equal to, we can write, can I write x power m by x power n? X power m minus n equal to, we can write x power m by x power n. So here m is equal to 0 you can take, and n is equal to 1. So that is x is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to x power 0 by x power, what is n value? 1. So that is nothing but a x power 0 minus 1 minus 1. X power minus 1 equal to x power 0. X power 0, what we obtained there? 1 only. X power, in anything power 0 value is how much? 1. 1 by x power 1 is nothing but a x. Okay. X power minus 1 is equal to, we can write as 1 by x power 1. Similarly, we can write x power minus 2 also 1 by x power 2. Okay, let us discuss the same form. X power minus n we can write as 1 by x power, and one more formula we can write here. X power minus 1 we can write as 1 by x power 1, and x power minus 2 we can write as 1 by x power 2, and x power minus n we can write as 1 by x power n. Okay, so these are the formulas. Okay, likewise we are going to simplify. Next question number formula number 3, x power m whole power n is equal to, we can write x power m into n. So we can use this formula that, so 2 power 3 whole power 4 we can write 2 power 3 means how much, that is 2 into 2 into 2 whole power 4 we have. Yes, 2 into 2 4 2 is 8, that is nothing but a 8 power 4. See, that means we can write, so these 3 2's we need to multiply 4 times. Yes, 2 into 2 into 2, one time is over, and 2 into 2 into 2, this is 1, 2 times 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. So how many 2's we have totally? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this we can write as 2 power 12. So if you get the larger number, suppose to 5 power 7 power 8 if they gave, means if you write in this expanded form, it will take more time. So we have one formula for that, that is x power m is equal to, so it is suitable or not, let us take x is equal to 2, m is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. If you substitute those in that, x is how much, 2 power m is 3 into 4, so 2 power 3 4s are 12, so that is 2 power 12. Yes, is these two are equal or not? Yes, equal. So we can use this, can satisfy for any numbers also. Okay, that means 5 power 7 whole power 8, so this we can write as 5 power 7 into 8, that is equal to 5 power 56. Okay, and reversely we have that also, x power m whole power n equal to x power m into n equal to x power n into m also. This we can write x power n whole power m. So m into n, we know that is the product m into n is equal to n into m, the commutative property of rational numbers. If you multiply the reversely also, the product is same. So we can write x power m into n, we can write x power n into m also, n power m. So both are, these two numbers are equal only. So that means 2 power 3 whole power 4 is equal to 2 power 4 whole power 3. Yes, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Okay, likewise also we can use. Next formula, we have the formulas for that. Next, question number 4, formula number 4, that x into xy whole power m equal to, this we can write. So we have the formula where we will use, let us see, suppose 2 into 3 into 4 whole power 2 is there. So this means 3 4s are how much, 12 power 2, that is equal to this 12 power 2 is equal to 144. Let us see, this we can write as according to the formula x power y whole power m is equal to x power m into y power m. See, let us see, this 3 power 2 into 4 power 2, is these two will get correct answer or not? So 3 power 2 is 9 and 4 power 2 is 16, which is equal to 144. So finally initially what, 3 4s are 12, so 12 square is how much, 144. So these two are equal or not? Yes. So we can write x into y whole power m, we can write as x power m into y power m. Okay, so next question, next formula in this second case, that x by y whole power m. X by y whole power m is nothing but a x power m by y power m, that is we can write like this. Suppose 2 by 5 whole power 7 means we can write 2 power 7 by 5 power 7. Okay, so like that. 7 by 9 whole power 4 equal to this, we can write as 7 power 4 by 9 power 4. Okay, so that is likewise. Okay, so these two formulas, 4 formulas we have finished. Next, so now I am going to discuss with you fifth formula, that if x power m is equal to y power n, then m is equal to n. Okay, if x power m equal to, if x power m is equal to x power n, then m is equal to n this side. See, suppose if you take 2 power x is there, 2 power 5 is there. Okay, so both bases are same. If both side bases are same, the powers will be also equal. See, this 2 power 5 is how much? 32. Yes. So here this 2 power 5 value we got 32. At what value of x this 2 power x will gives 32 value? At what value of x the 2 power x will gives 32? So that is, at what value of x this value is equal to 32? At 5 only. So that means if both side bases are equal, then powers also equal. So x is equal to, we can write 5. Then only these two numbers become equal. Okay, when these two numbers are equal, 2 power x is equal to 2 power 5 means if x is equal to 5 only, then these two numbers are equal. If we take x is equal to 4, 2 power 4 is not equal to 2 power 5. Yes, if you take 2 power 6, 2 power 6 is not equal to 2 power 5. At 5 only, at x is equal to 5 only, it can satisfy the given these two. We can make equal these two numbers. Okay, so likewise, so we can write, sometimes we will use this formula where it is 2 power x plus 5 equal to 2 power 7 they will give. So both side bases are same means powers will be equal. Then x plus 5 equal to 7, then x is equal to 7 minus 5, that is nothing but a x is equal to 2. Okay, likewise we can use, if the bases are same, we can make the powers are equal. They will ask find the x value like that. See, next formula, if x power m is equal to y power m, then m is equal to n is, if x power m equal to y power m, then m is equal to n. See, 7 power m is 7 power 5 equal to x power 5. So both side here bases powers are equal, then bases also equal. See, at what value of x these two numbers becomes equal? If you take x is equal to 1, so 7 power 5 equal to 1 power 5. No, 7 power 5, if you take 7 power 5 equal to 2 power 5. No, so here if x is equal to, if 7 power 5 equal to, if you take x is equal to 8, so 7 power 5 equal to 8 power 5. No, 7 power 5 equal to not equal, so this under. So at what value of x these two numbers becomes equal? At 7 only. 7 power 5 equal to 7 power x power 5 means where x is equal to how much? 7 only. Okay, so let us, where we will use, let us see one example for this sum. X plus 3 whole power 9 equal to 8 power 9 they give. So find the x value. So we know that is x, if x power m equal to y power m, then we can write m equal to n. Yes, so then we can write, if the both side powers are equal, then the bases also equal. X plus 3 equal to 8, then x is equal to 8 minus 3, that is x value is how much? 5. In this case we can use this formula. Next formula we have that formula number 7. So minus 1 whole power n is equal to 1 if n is equal to even number. If n is the even number, then minus 1 whole power n is equal to 1. So if we take a even number, minus 1 whole power 2, this means minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 into 1, 1. So it is even. And if we take minus 1 whole power 4, so minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus into plus only will come. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 only we will get. Suppose if you take second case we have. So if you take any big number also, minus 1 power 1000, it is a even number or odd number? Even number. So this value is equal to 1 itself. Next, second case, in that minus 1 whole power n equal to minus 1 when n is odd. So if we take n is equal to odd number, minus 1 whole power 3, this we can write as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus 1 into 1 into 1, minus 1 only we will get. Yes, so if we take 1 minus 1 whole power 101, what is that value? So we can write minus 1 only. Minus 1 whole power 2005, that is equal to 1 minus 1 only. Minus 1 whole power 2021 will give minus 1 only. So likewise we are going to write. Okay, next question. So in this video I discussed with you 1 to 7 formulae. So remaining formulas I will discuss with you in the next video. So please watch the video and subscribe the channel. Share this video to others. Thank you.